Hey everyone, want to use ueli to launch apps and search your computer faster? Ueli is a free open-source productivity launcher that lets you open applications, search files, perform calculations, run system commands, and much more, all from a single search bar. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use ueli step by step, so let's get started. First, open ueli from the Start menu or launch it after installation. Once it's running, you'll usually find its icon in the Windows system tray, waiting in the background until you need it. Press ueli's global keyboard shortcut to open the search bar. The default shortcut is typically Alt plus space, although you can change it later in the settings. Start typing the name of an application, such as Notepad, Calculator, or Google Chrome. Ueli instantly displays matching results. Use the arrow keys to select an application and press Enter to launch it. Besides launching applications, ueli can perform calculations and support additional search features through its built-in extensions. I mean, you can type a math expression directly into the search bar and instantly view the result. If you'd like to customize ueli, open its settings. You can change the keyboard shortcut, enable or disable extensions, configure startup behavior, customize themes, and adjust search options to match your workflow. Practice using ueli instead of navigating through the Start menu. The more you use it, the faster you'll be able to launch applications, search files, and complete everyday tasks with your keyboard. And that's how to use ueli on Windows. With its fast search, application launcher, calculator, and customizable features, ueli can help you work more efficiently every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.